Everybody like it. So easy to prepare. 10 minutes and it's ready. If you don't know what you're going to have for a lunch or dinner, you should try it. Cold pasta with mayonnaise and some vegetables. It will be a really very good choice for lunch or dinner. Let's see together how we're going to make and what we're going to need this nice dish of pasta. Let's get started. At the beginning, I'm going to cook the pasta in boiling water. Of course, you can't cook pasta without water. I'm going to add some salt and oil. And after that, I'm going to add the pasta. I leave it for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to bring it out from the hot water and I'll wash it with cold water. After that, I'll be almost finished. Now the pasta is ready. It's only so simple steps. And you're going to eat your pasta. The pasta shouldn't have any water and should be cold. Now I'm going to add the other ingredients I used for the recipe. 400 grams of pasta and 3 small paprikas. Any color you want, you can choose one or you can choose all. I mean all colors. And I used 200 grams of boiled corn. And at the end, I'm going to add the mayonnaise. I added 1 cup. And if you want to add more, you can do that, of course. But I think 1 cup is enough. And when I'm finished adding the ingredients, I'm going to mix them well together. And that's it. Believe me, it's so easy and delicious at the same time. You should try it. If you don't have time to cook or you are bored from cooking, this pasta is the best choice. You can choose any other kind of vegetables, but I saw that these vegetables are so suitable for this pasta. The corn and paprika will give this pasta a very nice flavor. I really like these dishes, which you can add or remove any ingredients, and the flavor is still very delicious. Now I put my pasta in the dish. I hope that you enjoyed today the video and the recipe. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to put the whole ingredients in the description box under the video. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments. I'll be so happy to answer it. And if you like, you can share the video or the recipe with your friends. I hope you to stay good and healthy and happy. See you in a new video and a new recipe very soon. Bye bye.